That's right. It's three colors. Look, white, red, and blue. So I'm gonna make Uncle Sam. Uncle Sam has been a popular symbol of the US government. I have some paper cutouts and I have googly eyes like my eye. Look. Look friends, Uncle Sam is ready to celebrate Independence Day like me. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Now let's start for 4th of July card for my friends. Subscribe, like, and share for more